Hi everyone, I had some leftover resin, so I thought we'd come and do just this little flower. I have about 3.5 of craft resin mixed up. It's really warm because I've been working on something else, so it's thick. I would say it's about 35, 36, maybe even up to 38 degrees Celsius. So it is quite warm. I'm going to help give it a little shove because it is so thick. Working on a bowl and I didn't realize how much I over poured my resin, so I don't want this to go to waste. Maybe we can make a trinket dish out of it. All right, and I have lettuce and chronicle, just something green, but I see a big little bubble. I'm gonna try to talk that into coming to the top. There we go. All right. Open it off to the side. These are Ranger alcohol inks. We might need a little bit more of those. Super light, huh? Do 2 drops each. I don't want to do too much because I'm not doing a layer and we don't want it to be soft. I'm not doing a backing. We don't want this to be tacky, so you can't add too much. If you do, it won't cure properly. It'll stay tacky. So when adding your inks, just use a little caution. All right. Let's give this a little swirl around, help it move together. All right. And then this is the white that I mixed up. I actually did 12 drops of this to like 1.5 ounces. So Cast and Craft Opaque Pigment Concentrate. And then I put it in a piping bag. It has thickened up a bit, so I hope we won't have any problems drawing a bloom. So we are going to do circles. Pretty big ones. And then I'm going to do a spiral in it. And then one in the center. Oops. All right. And now I'm just going to do squiggle lines. So I'm going to take it from the center and go out. And I'm just going to do some quick ends. Then on my last end, I'm going to spiral. Just something small. Now to bring the flowers together just a little bit better, moving my resin up in my bag. I'm going to do just mini spirals if I can. It's very thick, so when it's thick, you can usually draw better with it. All right, that's it. I don't think I'm in a room for a back, but if I decide that we're going to try it, we'll be back. Maybe to do it if I do something weird. If I just do a solid color, we'll just come back to unmold it. We'll be back. All right, we're back. I just backed it with some black paste and resin. I could only put a very light layer, but it was enough to back it. All right, let's see how our shape came out. Oop, try not to get the light in it. Oh, how lovely. So pretty. I do like the green and the black. I think that looks cool.